Hey guys, welcome to my crypto diary. And in this video, I'll be talking about a step-by-step guide in setting up a Pirl Masternode. So, full disclaimer, this is not my account, and I had my buddy help me out with making this video. So I have not reached my goal of 20,000 pearls just yet to set up that masternode, but I have a buddy who does, and he helped me out to do a recording of this video. So let's start it off. All the links that you'll be needing will be on my website, or I'll be posting it on the description below. So the first step is to actually create a Poseidon account. And let me just blur that username out. And the link right here, I have it on my website, is create a Poseidon account. Links will be on the website. Then you would like to go to wallet on the left-hand side right here and wallet details. Then you're going to need to send one Perl from your wallet to the address that you just copied over from the wallet address. Here you go. As you can see, we are sending one Perl to the wallet that is located in the Poseidon address. Okay, now we are currently waiting for confirmations, for 12 confirmations for that Perl to be sent. So now that's done. We click on contracts and then we click on watch contract right here. You're going to be needing this right here, this address right here. It'll be on my website. You could just copy that and paste it on the contract address. The contract name, like you see here, is just naming it Neptune. He plans on conquering the world. So, and then for the JSON interface, just copy the full thing that's on my website as well, and you can paste that for the interface, and just hit OK. So you can see here that the confirmation is still ongoing. And what you'd like to do is copy that transaction hash from that one Perl that you initially sent. And this is where we're at right now in step 3. We're copying that ID. Now we go to the master nodes and create master nodes. We're on step 3B right now. Put a name, anything you'd like. In our situation, we're putting Neptune. And that tax hash was from that one Perl that we initially sent. Copy that and paste that over. And then your wallet address with the 20,000 Pearl coins. Okay, you should see Neptune. Let's go back a little. So we should see under the masternode dashboard, you should see false for this new masternode that we created. No token, masternode not active. All right, let's continue. Now we're gonna go to vulture.com. I'll have links below. It will be an affiliate link. So what you'd like to do is just select a location, select the server. Location doesn't matter. Server, CentOS 7, 64-bit. And you would like to choose at least the $20 per month one because the Perl Masternode actually requires at least 4,000 MB or 4 gigabytes of memory. So once you set that up and click on OK, you'll see the server installing. As you can see here, it's highlighted as installing. So we just completed the create a server part. Our next thing we're going to do is try to connect to the server once this installation is complete. Okay, it looks like the server installation is almost complete here. So our next thing we're going to do is connect to the server. There's two ways to connect to the server with their console. So you could click on manage right there. So you could connect to it using the console on the top right hand side. There's a little TV icon there, or you could use putty to connect to it. In this case, we were having some issues connecting through the console that they have. So you'll see that real quick here. You'll be logging in with root as your username, and the password you can copy it from the website itself and just paste it there. As mentioned earlier, we were having some issues logging in with the root password through the console. So we ended up just launching putty and logging in with the same information. So you just enter the host name or the IP address, save the session for it, and connect to it using putty. Just click on yes on that, log in with root, and the password. So this verifies that we were able to log in. And using this code, PASSWD, we are now changing or updating the password. We highly suggest that you do that as well. So here, using the console, he is now verifying that he's able to log in with the updated password. With journal CTL-F, you just wanted to see what's inside the server right now, what's going on. All right, so the next thing right here is using the one-click Pirl Masternode setup. So let's just go back there. From here, click on one-click Masternode setup, and to get to this is going to be under wallets, under Masternodes, and it should be under My Masternodes or the Masternode dashboard, and click on the one-click Masternode setup. So we are on step 5A under Masternodes tab. Click on My Masternodes and click on one-click Masternode setup. So in this field, we go back to our wallet, click on contracts right here. Click on your contract, select the function node registration. If you can see that right there, node registration. Send the 20,000 Perl and execute. So this right here is just executing the contract. So once this is complete, we'd still need to wait for it to complete. So you would see here the status of the contract execution. We have 20,000 minus 20,000 pearls. On the top right, you'd see the balance, 20,000 pearls, 20,800 pearls. There you go. It's been deducted, and we are still waiting for a full 12 confirmations before we continue. Should be able to skip on this just a little bit. You got 6 confirmations, 8 confirmations, and 12 confirmations. Let's get back to our document. So we're back to the Poseidon one-click masternode setup. Masternode ID, entered the name, server username, which is the one we have when we created the server password, oh, server username, I'm sorry. So server username should be root. Server password will be the password that we changed or updated it to. And then the server IP, which could also be found under your server manage. So once that's complete, just hit create, and you should be done using the one-click masternode setup. So we could continue here. So once that's done, we should be able to just check and verify the status of our masternode. You could just navigate to the home, go to masternodes, my masternodes, and check on the status. And verify that your masternode shows payable. So at the moment, it is not payable since the one-click masternode is still doing its thing. You could putty into your server and you can enter this code right here, journal CTL-F, to see what is going on currently in your server. This will load for about, let's say, 10 minutes, and then you should be done by verifying the payable status on the bottom right-hand side. So this will continue for the next 10 minutes. We can actually skip this part, and you can refresh your page while you're waiting. So just to verify that journal code while you're connected to the server with putty is just to see what's going on with the one-click masternode setup. This is an optional view just to see if everything is going through. You should see everything getting installed. So I'll just be skipping through this whole thing right here. And once that's complete, you could try to refresh the page. As you can see here, it's still installing. So I'm just skipping right here, another 10 minutes. All right, so once that's complete, try to hit another refresh on the page just to verify it's now showing on Poseidon. There you go. And now we're just refreshing the page. And you would see that your Masternode has successfully installed itself once we see the payable value change to true. So that is it. In reality, you do not need to check on what's going on the server, but you just need to basically wait for the whole thing to install itself once you click on that create for that one-click masternode setup. So if this walkthrough helped you out in setting up your Pirl Masternode, feel free to use my affiliate link for Vulture or send me some coins my way. Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you liked the video and if it helped in any way. Thumbs down if you didn't like it. Don't forget to share it if you have anyone that likes to set up a Pirl Masternode and or any other Masternode services. You can use this same process for setting up any other coin that has a Masternode feature. All right, guys, have a good day. Bye.